Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frames for Huobi token. Now, as always, our key level criteria: we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So let's go ahead and hop right in. The first key level we see is right at the price open, where we see a swing high. So price started up, we see these two long wicks and the candle body closing on a bearish momentum, sending price down. So as price comes back up, we expect to see a reaction from this level. Now let's go ahead and hop to the weekly, as we don't have much data to work with. So here on the weekly, what do we see? Well, we notice a key level right here, where price opened, reacting as support, breaking up, and as it came down, this level reacted as resistance, and we see this level acting as resistance once again. So support, flipped resistance, obvious to spot, with multiple rejections. Now, what do we notice here? Well, we can see a clear level of support on the weekly time frame. So, price came down and reversed drastically. As price came back down, we've seen a fake out from the level before price claiming it again, and then we see multiple reactions from the level. Notice the long wicks, before price broke through with a bearish momentum candle. Notice the volume on the breakout. Now, as price came down, we see it establishing a support level here. So, price came down, we see reactions from this level before reversing drastically back to our key level of support, which we previously plotted. So we can see a reaction occurring to the same level, as we see a wick stick out and a smaller candle body at this level. Now, what else can we notice is we can actually plot a key level of resistance here. So as price came down, we actually see it act as support from the long wick before breaking through and reversing, getting rejected from this level. And if we look over here, we see price coming up and rejected from the level. We see another rejection from the level. So, looking at this price action, we can expect a move up to this level for the next reaction. Now, since there is not a lot of data, we can finish plotting our weekly swing high here, and that's all of our key levels plotted on the chart. If you guys enjoyed the video and got some value out of it, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.